Hello guys, today I'm back with a new video and I'm going to teach you how to do nice smooth transitions with a blur effect on it. Alright, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing you do is that you add your beats. You add keyframes to every clip. Make sure that your clips are according to the beat. So as I'm doing here, I'm just adding keyframes at the beginning and the endings of every clip. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I go to basic, then I scale it up to about 130. Yeah, so I'll do the scaling up for all of it. So you could just slide, make sure that you go to the ending, then make it 130. Okay, so that's what you get if you do the zoom in. So for the first part, this is it. So I'm gonna do a custom graph. Just go to linear and just copy the graph I do. Yeah, so you go to the second clip, do the same thing. Yeah, we'll do it for all of the clips. And so that's how you get it. So that's basically the graph section. So now we're going to effects, then you type oblique blur, you take that one, so you make sure that you put the objects on everything. So first you take a keyframe, put everything to 100, bring it to 30 for the blur, and the last keyframe should be 0. So what you do is that you place the clip at the ending of a clip, or let me say the beginning of a new clip. Yeah, so you duplicate it about 3 times, so 3 per clip. So when you do that, then you should get something like this. So let me just do this first. Yeah, and that's how you get